Now you could do just about anything with this. You can make a 7-layer dip. You can make tacos, burritos.
More carrots. Don't tear it.
All right, so let's make some refried beans out of a can. So I got this from Whole Foods. It's a bean trio. You have a blend of kidney beans, pinto beans, and black beans. But you can just do pinto or black, whatever you have. I think red beans would do too. Drain it. I know these are organic and they don't have any chemicals or anything, but I like to drain anyways. Throw the whole can in. A blender, whichever blender you use. I use the Magic Bullet. You want to put some onion powder. That's about a teaspoon there, maybe a teaspoon and a half. Some black pepper, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. I don't know about you, but I like my refried beans a bit spicy, so I'm adding some cayenne pepper. Just a little bit to give it a kick. Powdered coriander, I'd say about a third teaspoon to half a teaspoon. Now some smoked paprika, say about half a tablespoon to a tablespoon. Now these beans are very low in sodium, so I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, sea salt, iodized sea salt. About half a teaspoon, and a clove of garlic. This is kind of a big one, so I'm going to do half a clove. There you go. Realistic size of a garlic clove. Crushed it. We'll leave this half a garlic aside. Now you can put some olive oil, about a tablespoon and a half. I know that in a lot of these videos I'm adding olive oil to things, and I know a lot of oil is not good for you, even though you have these diets that require oils and stuff, but I don't believe that you need that much oil. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't need any oil, but we're making refried beans, and for it to taste like real refried beans, you need to have oil. That is the truth. Now I am planning on making some more whole food, healthier recipes. I have that planned in the works without any oils and no salt, no sugar, but that's not what we're doing today. As a matter of fact, the whole idea behind my YouTube channel is actually for you guys to see how easy it is to be vegan. You don't have to restrict taste. Let's put some jalapenos in there to add more kick. You could put in bell pepper if you don't have. I like the kick of a jalapeno. Just make it very spicy. And let's add some of the seeds. Make it even spicier. I think I'm gonna need to add a little bit more water in order for it to blend properly. So there you go. About halfway through. Now you want to add a little bit of regular oil, tasteless, odorless oil, maybe about a tablespoon. Heat it up. Now let's fry this bean mixture. Refried beans doesn't mean fried again. Refried means really fried. It's a lost in translation type of thing. A lot of times in Spanish, re means overdone. So we're gonna overly fry this. Unfried portion already tastes pretty good. This is not authentic in any stretch of the imagination. We are using beans from a can, and we're adding spices that I have available. We're almost there. It's getting darker. Yeah, you gotta be really careful. You gotta stir a lot because it's beginning to stick and you don't want to burn it. You want to fry it, not burn it. You want these beans to be edible. Let's have a try. Wow, even better than last time. Now you could do just about anything with this. You can make a 7-layer dip. You can make tacos, burritos. You can eat it with rice, You could put some lime and chips, use it as a dip. As always, no animals were harmed from making any of my videos. Once again, another great recipe by yours truly, nokTOXIC Vegan. Thanks for watching, and please watch all my other videos.